I have about 1,100 endpoints, and it is me
By yourself?
by myself. It's probably more than that. Essentially, it is 1,290.
Wow. I assume you automate a lot of your processes.
That's where I'm going with it now. The idea of having a look at your platform was actually more just to do some of the mundane things, cleanups better. I want to see what it can do. Can it set a printer up for me? And the answer is it could, but
Nice.
it took a long time.
Yeah. We were running ads, and like one of our ads was like help desk technician for $0, and it's kind of like a rage baity ad, but those are the types of ads that work. And one of the comments was, but can he install, or can Faye install printer software or whatever?
I had a little portable printer next to me, and I was on my computer, and I'd never actually installed this printer on this computer, and it was connected to the Wi-Fi at least. So I'm like, let's just see where this goes, you know? I knew the IP address of the printer, and I knew exactly where it was, but I just wanted to see how the process worked.
I'm curious, like, what made you fairly quickly add so many devices?
Stupidity? No, I just put a few clients on there with no point other than to go, hey, with my current RMM, this is how much space it can clean up. Show me what you can do. And it showed me that it can clean up so much more than what I thought was possible using its own scripting and stuff, you know? In my RMM, I have a lot of computers that are running out of space, and it's to the point where either I've got to go out to them, I'm one-man band, I'm all over Australia. I'm like, I'm going to have to do like a road trip of just upgrading SSDs and stuff in computers or swapping them out. And a lot of people would rather swap things out. And I thought, well, how about we just buy a bit of time, you know, and see what this can do. And it did a really good job, to be honest with you.
I'm going to stop your